Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a spicy margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lime juice, your favorite tequila, and a good orange liqueur. For that perfect kick, choose a fresh jalapeno or serrano pepper. Don't forget to prepare a simple syrup and have some salt or chili lime seasoning ready for the rim. These components are key to a truly delicious drink. Now, let's infuse that wonderful spice. Take 1 or 2 thin slices of your chosen pepper and place them in a cocktail shaker. Gently muddle them to release their oils and heat. Next, pour in 1 1/2 ounces of your preferred tequila. Let this mixture sit for a few minutes. This allows the tequila to absorb the pepper's vibrant, spicy essence, building the foundation of your drink. It's time to bring all the flavors together. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice to your shaker, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Then, pour in 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. This balances the tartness and heat beautifully. Fill the shaker completely with ice, secure the lid, and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until thoroughly chilled. This ensures a perfectly blended and refreshing cocktail. Finally, for the perfect presentation and enjoyment, take your chosen glass and rim it with salt or chili lime seasoning. Carefully strain your perfectly chilled margarita into the prepared glass, making sure to remove any muddled pepper pieces. Garnish with a fresh lime wheel or an extra pepper slice for a visual flourish. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your expertly crafted spicy margarita. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.